To create notes by using your Apple Watch, first of all, you have to open all applications screen and you will have to search for notes application. This is how it actually looks. You will have to open this one, and right now when you click on the right bottom corner you can find this creation button. And now as you can see, I will highly recommend you to use voice typing because it's much easier and faster to create some texts for messages, emails, or for example just to create notes. And if you are wondering how you can actually turn on that feature, well, you will have to click on the right bottom corner, and as you can see we got three options. So in the most cases you will be probably on the keyboard layout, so just make sure that you have selected the microphone. And now as you can see, when we can also add some emojis, and by swiping like that we can also change the keyboard language, and by clicking on the down button in the right upper corner, as you can see, the note was created. And now you can delete this one. You can also open it, read, and when you scroll all the way down, as you can see, it's just over here. But if I try to change it, adjust some, make some changes, it's not available. But if we're gonna click here, still we cannot do that. So in my case, this option with changing something is just not working, but you can let me in the comments how it looks in your case. That's basically everything. I hope you find it useful.